Now, what should we do if we are confident with ETS, but we do not know which model of ETS to be selected? Is there a best fit method? Now, you see, forecasting technology or technologies that have forecasting features inside it, always there is an expectation by the user. I do not want to run the forecast myself and see 10 different models and then do the evaluation myself to find out which one is better in terms of the criteria that I give. So there will be criteria related to errors. There will be criteria related to the averages or means or tracking signals, or there are multiple criteria which helps us to understand the quality of the data compared with the error in the data, right? In the variance or the error in the data. Whether we have this kind of functionality where if I tell the ETS is the algorithm that I want to select as a user, but I do not know which model that I run, I want the system to tell me which model should be run. So the good news is I go to my predict again, and within exponential smoothing, which is ETS, I've got something called as auto ETS, which is the very first model. Now, auto ETS itself is not a model, but what it is doing, it is looking at all the models that we have here, and it is running the prediction using all the models. And then it is selecting the best fit method based on AIC, a Kaike information criterion, which actually ranks the model based on several factors that also includes lag. So let me run auto ETS and then I'll run a forecast. So auto ETS, I'll save this. Auto ETS has actually not selected one model, but a combination of multiple models. By every row, it is actually deciding a model from the multiple ETS models that we saw. So somewhere it must have selected Holt's, somewhere it must have selected simple exponential smoothing, somewhere it must have selected Holt-Winters, damped, additive, multiplicative, both together. It totally depends on the criterion, right? Absolutely brilliant piece. Now, similarly, we also have an auto ARIMA. Let me show that to you guys. Predict ARIMA, auto ARIMA. Again, the first one, right? So auto ARIMA is going to look at non-seasonal and seasonal ARIMA. I mean, the seasonal ARIMA and non-seasonal ARIMA, and then decide which one to select, right? I'll run the forecast and I'll save this forecast. Right. So in case if you have doubt, you run auto ETS or auto ARIMA based on which category you select.